how to buy SafeMoon token. So this token came under the symbol of SFM. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money, rewards and crypto with the best referral code. Simply use code below, fund your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now, before going on by this token, make sure to check the next account and keep following the updates about this token. So this token is available in MEXC. You can buy it from your account. Now, first of all, open your MEXC account, as you can see. Now, if you don't have an account on MEXC, go down in the description and you will be able to find the referral link. Go and create an account on MEXC to benefit from rewards and find your token with some USDT. Now, in the search bar, type SFM, as you can see, and click on this pair. After that, click on limit, and here you can type how much you want to buy of that token. So here you will be able to see how much will be pay of that USDT on your account. Now click on buy SFM. Now if you select the market, drag this to set how much a percentage that you want to use of that USDT on your account to be able to use it to buy this token, and click on buy SFM. So this is how to buy SFM token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.